Coaching is a field that sort of has grown up as I've grown up in my consulting career, but I really think it's always been there. We've called them mentors, we've called them all sorts of things in our lives, but I do end up being a coach for almost everybody I meet. Coaching is really, really important. It means you put the person before yourself. You're in service of the other individual. You're there to support their growth, not your own stories. You're there to listen, to use your good questions, to guide only if they need to, and help them sort themselves out. You may not have any answers, but listening and good questions will be your friend. You're doing the right thing if you help them find their own way without inserting your ideas or your biases or your recommendations. We should be a resource. We should provide opportunities for them to learn about themselves and generate their own self-awareness through assessments and other tools and readings. But a great coach actually walks beside the person, not in front, not behind, and certainly doesn't carry them. I've had many good coaches in my life, and I hope I've been a good coach to all.